Welcome to Odia Education Tutorial. Dear children, Class 10 English Summative Assessment 1 रे संभाव्य प्रश्न गुड़िकर उत्तर ठारे आलोचना करिबा। भिडियोटी को प्रथम रु शेष पर्यंत देखा अनुरोध एवं आम चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब करने को अनुरोध। भिडियोटी को लाइक शेयर एवं कमेंट मध्य करेंगे। तेज आसतु आरंभ करवा। 1 नंबर लेंचो द हीरो ऑफ ए लेटर टू गॉड वाज ए डैश। लेंचो जने कौन थिले? जने फार्मर थिले। ऑप्शन बी हूँ यार राइट आंसर। 2 नंबर लेंचो कन्सिडर्ड द रेनड्रॉप्स एज डैश एज न्यू कॉइन्स। ऑप्शन डी लेंचो वाज एन ऑक्स of a man. The expression means Lencho was hard working. Option B. 4. In his first letter, Lencho requested God to send him dash pesos. To send him 100 pesos. Option A. Question number 5. Lencho in his second letter requested God not to send money through the mail since the post office employees were quite dishonest. Option C have right answer here. 6. Gandhiji's false notion about handwriting was good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. Option to the issue D, the right answer. 7. He obtained a scholarship for rupees dash when he was in 5th standard. When he was in 5th standard, से केते स्कॉलरशिप पाई थिले? ऑप्शन ए 4. Question number 8. The special reason for Gandhi's dislike for games and sports was dash. Option B his shyness. Question number 9. There was a sort of dash going on between the Sanskrit and Persian teacher. Right answer होची option C. Question number 10. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Which teacher does it mean here? Option C is right answer. Sanskrit teacher. Question number 11. The poet of the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful is dash. All Things Bright and Beautiful the poet housandi C.F. Alexander. Option C. Question number 12. What has God given to the little birds as described in All Things Bright and Beautiful? Glowing colors. Option B. Where can we find tall trees as described in All Things Bright and Beautiful? Right answer होची in the green wood. Option A. 14. The mountain in the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful is described purple headed. Option D. 15. In the line he made their glowing colors. The word there refers to there word टी कहा को रेफर करुछि? Flowers. Option A. 16. What is the central idea of the poem The Solitary River? Answer होछि sweet music appeals to all. Option B. Question number 17. Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow. The underlined words means underline कराइथवा वर्ड गुड़िकर अर्थ कौन? अर्थ होची सैड म्यूजिक. ऑप्शन सी. व्हाट डज द पोएट मीन टू से एज इफ हर सॉन्ग कुड हैव नो एंडिंग्स? राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी. द सॉन्ग कंटेन्स एन एवरलास्टिंग यूनिवर्सल थीम व्हिच रिसाइकल्स. ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. What was the girl reaping the corn with? sickle, option C. What breaks the silence of the seas? Option B, the song of the cuckoo. 21. Who named the tiger cub Timothy? Writers. Option D, जो अच्छी writer's grandmother. 22. What was Timothy's length? 18 inches. Option C. What was Timothy's favorite place? Drawing room. Option C. Question number 24. The Jew was dash away from the grandfather's house. 200 miles. Option A. A Tiger in the House was written by Ruskin Bond. Option C. The story The Beggar is written by dash. The Beggar is written by option Anton Chekhov. Option D. Where did Sergei meet the beggar at first? In Kaluga. Option A. How much money was given to the beggar for chopping wood? Option D. Half a ruble. Who really saved and changed Luskov's life? Sergei. Option A. At last, Luskov became a notary. Option A. Write the single word for the expression. A violent storm whose center is a cloud in the shape of a tunnel. Right answer is option B, tornado. Question number 32. The postman expressed his contentment. The underlined word means contentment or satisfaction. Option B. These sports persons are going to meet the president. Their performance has been excellent. Option B is right answer. These sports persons whose performance has been excellent are going to meet the president. 34. They keep him informed of everything and take no firm decision without consulting him. Replace the underlined words with a suitable word. The right answer is option A, resolution. In which sentence the underlined word used as a verb? Verb akare use hitwa koti the field is wet, the ball went to answer hochi option C, the ball went out because the players could not feel it. Field verb akare use hochi. 36. What is the meaning of the word lenient? Lenient अर्थ होची not strict. B. Use negative prefix of the word believable, unbelievable. Option A. All the guests days before the party started had arrived. Option D. I saw you, I invited you to my party. Right answer is option A. If I saw you, I would have invited you. 40. Children hardly refused to obey. Option B. Ramesh has been studying to pass the examinations. The finite verb in the sentence is has. Option B. He answered all questions. Choose the correct form. Subject, verb and object. SVO. He is poor. This is on it. Yet. Option D. Curry and rice is my favorite food. Option C. Either of the boys has. Option A. Kotak is on the Mahanadi. Option B. 47. The man paid the bill dash cash in cash. Option D. Students should concentrate their studies on studies. Option A. That he is honest is known to all. The function of the noun clause is option B. Subject कर व्यवहार है option B. Lots of people died of COVID-19. This is really tragic. Which is really tragic? Option B. Thank you for watching.